Hi there, we are making great progress in BeGuest and the event is really coming together. Today I'll show you a key step on how to create your first group, add your guests, publish your event and send out the first invitations. Let's see how it works. In BeGuest, we organize guests into groups. This allows us to assign a specific content to each group, such as agendas, locations, documents and more. To create a group, go to Groups section within your event and click on New Group. Assign a name, in our case VIP. If you need, you can force guest country, but in this case we won't do that. Enter the arrival and departure dates, and then set the maximum number of people that will be in your group. This helps the platform to control that the group doesn't exceed its limits. The first way is that you can assign a group manager who will do it manually. He can enter guests' details or import them via Excel from the guest portal. Or the second way is that you can do it the same directly from the admin portal. If you choose to bulk upload guests, download the Excel template, fill it out with the guest information and then upload it to the platform. The only required fields are the first name, last name and email, but you can add more information later on. Once uploaded, guests will appear in the system. Perfect, now we have the groups organized and the guest uploaded. Time to publish your event. To do this, go to the event detail, click edit and then select publish. And just like that, your event is now live and accessible to your guests. To send invitations, you'll need an email template. To create one, we recommend watching the essential video on email template. With the event published, it is time to send invitations. There are two ways to do this. The first way is to send it by groups. Go to Groups and then set the invitation only to the members of a specific group. Or you can do it with the mass invitation sendout. Go to People, Guests and then click on the three dots and then select the mass send invitation. Here you can choose which groups to invite and select the email template you prepared earlier. And that is it, invitation sent and your event is officially published. That's how easy it is to manage your guests and launch your event in BeGuest. Now your attendees will have access to all the event information through their portal and you will have the full control over every detail. Thanks for using BeGuest and I'll see you in the next video.